I want to celebrate all others who have struggled with the same struggles that I have with finding myself and my sexuality and just feeling complete in that.
Pride Parade in New York. I never been there and I always wanted to go because I wanted to see how it is.
This month I really want to celebrate trans and non-binary people of color because without them the LGBTQ community would be nowhere.
I'm getting emotional, I don't like this.
If you love men, if you love women, whatever you like that's your life. You can do whatever you want.
I just want to celebrate Pride because it's made me who I am.
Life in general, people for who they are. I think a lot of people are very harsh on themselves, and if we celebrate that, they'll be more outgoing and feel a lot more happy about themselves and feel really beautiful.